LED feeding, and here testing positive and negative. The speed is 70 pieces of every bubble in 1 minute. We set 1 Y long and 1 Y short. After this total 100. After 100 pieces, 1 Y is short. You can find it easily. Y feeding. Insulator. Sleeve. Okay, after the Y sorting with every bubble from the machine, we need to twist it to make the final product. First, we use this, the Y with sorting with LED, and the Y all in white. So first we need to sort them together. This bubble and this bubble with Y is too long. We need to cut it short. Alright, we're stripping it. Twist together the copper. Sorry. We put one sleeve outside. Put sleeve here. Okay, and use a lighter to move fast. Okay, here is okay. And then we put it into the printing machine. At the beginning, we just 21 meters. It's okay now. And then we put it outside the printing machine here from here. Please don't make it like this. If like this, the wire will break. Not cross, just like this. Okay, now we start printing. Okay. You can find here, the Y is very short. Here is longer and here is short. This is we make it a mark from machine. We can find it easily. It means that from this bubble to the beginning, it is 100 bubble. Or because we set the machine 99 is long and only one piece is short, so we can cut from here. After cut from here, we put this outside. Then tinting finish. Okay, this is light after tinting. First, we need to stripping a wire. Okay, not too long, and we soldering it with the controller. We have two types of controller. One is this type, and another type is like this. You can see the controller shape have positive and negative here. Okay. You must know which is positive and which is negative. We strip the plug. After soldering with controller and the plug, we just fill some glue to the cover and put this inside. Okay, then finish. This is one set of product. Finish. Now we're soldering this type of controller. This is 8-function controller. If we press here, 8 functions can change. You must know positive and negative. Normally, here is positive, this side positive. Here is negative. We call this type two-way controller because here is 1, 2, and we also have 4-way. Here four soldering ports. And we soldering with the plug. The plug will just soldering from here. Okay, then we fill some glue. Put the cover and then finish. This is another side. Controller different. Normally, this type of controller used for RG and RB. This used for single color. Okay, finish. 2 times. Maybe you will ask me, what is the difference between this small controller and this 8-function controller? Okay, I will show you now. You can see that normally we use this small controller for RG and RB LED bubble. This type of bubble can change color, red, blue, or red, green. For this type of LED bubble, we use this small controller. And this single color LED bubbles, we use the 8 function. We can press this button and it can change the sign. See, it's different sign. Long time sign, short time sign. Okay, this is the difference for this small controller and this 8 function controller.